Shalom to the family. Just a little quick unboxing. Aqua Home Group got me a filter for my shower head. I got 20 stages of filters up in there right there. And then this head supposed to have vitamin C and vitamin C, A, and I think E. Because we got hard water out here in Vegas. My face and my hair and man, hair damaged. But yeah, y'all, that's a little quick unboxing. It looks nice. Can't wait to enjoy it. Shalom to the family. Hope all is well with everybody. Shout out to the Honey Badgers and the CUC. I love y'all with the pure heart. In a minute. Shalom.